Hello students, today we are going to do revision for our unit test. Now in your unit test, as you know, two chapters are going to come, chapter number 4 playing with numbers and chapter number 5 fractions. Now overall in your exam, this will be the pattern of the paper. You will be asked blanks, find HCF, find LCM, add, subtract the fractions, multiply, divide the fractions and word problems. So today we are going to revise chapter number 4, playing with numbers. Now in playing with numbers, what all things we studied? We studied composite prime numbers. So what is composite numbers? Composite numbers means the numbers which have more than two factors, that are composite numbers. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers means the number which has only one factor, that is only two factor, that is prime number, the number itself and 1. Also we studied factors and multiples. What are factors? Let us understand. Suppose if I ask you to write the factors of 10. Now 10 is coming in which all numbers table. So you can say that it is 1 tens are 10, 2 fives are 10. So which all factors are 10? 2, 5, 10 and 1. These are the factors of 10. Okay, these are called the factors of 10. Similarly, if I say what are the multiples of 10, then you will write the table of 10, that is 20, 30, 40, 50 and it goes on. Clear? Then what is co-prime number? Co-prime number means the two prime numbers can be a co-prime number and also a composite number can be a co-prime number. Co-prime number means the two numbers which does not have any common factor. For example, let us say 5 and 9. Now here they are not having any common factor other than 1. It is 5 ones are 5, this is 3 threes are and 1 nines are. So only 1 is common here. There are no other common factors other than 1. So these two numbers are called co-prime numbers. This is a composite number, right? 9 is a composite. But with 5 it is a co-prime number. Then we understood prime factorization method. I will solve one sum of each. If you want to learn it again in detail, then you can go through the channel. In that, detailed videos are already uploaded. Now, if you are asked to find the prime factors of 40, how you will find? This way. Here always prime numbers will come. We will start with 2. So 2 20s are 40. 2 10s are 20. 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. So which are the prime factors here? Prime factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. If you multiply these numbers, then you should get the answer this, 40. Okay, so these are the prime factors of 40. Then we understood HCF, LCM. What is HCF? HCF means highest common factor. So first we will find the factors and then the highest factor will be our HCF. HCF can be found out with two methods. That also in video in detail you can find it out in the history of the channel. Okay, other videos are detailed videos are already there. So HCF, let us take one example from the book. Okay, here it is. Find HCF. We will take any one sum randomly, 48 and 72. So 48 and 72, we have to find HCF of it. See, you can use any method for finding HCF. We have understood two methods. I am showing you with both the methods here. Okay. So first we will do prime factorization method. So we will find the prime factors of each. 48 72. 2 24s are, 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are, and 3 1s are. Okay. 72, 2 36s are, 2 18s are, 2 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. Now, which are the common factors here? Highest common factor. So, if you will see this, 2 is common, again 2 is common, again 2 is common, and one time 3 is common. So, these are the common factors. Let us multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So, our HCF is 4 into 6, that is 24. Now, this same sum we will do with division method. So how we are going to solve division method? We will divide 72 by 48. 48 ones are 48. If you will minus this, you will get 24. Now this is your pair. So you will divide 48 by 24. 24 twos are 48. Here comes 0. So this will be your HCF. Okay, this way division method. Now LCM. What is LCM? LCM means least common multiple, or you can say lowest common multiple. Now LCM, how you are going to find? With prime factorization method you can find, and also you can find with division method. So here prime factorization method is given in example 20. Let us solve that only. Here 168 and 126 you have to find. So first you will find the prime factors with the method of factorization, and then there is one formula to find the LCM. You have to find the product of common factors, multiply with the product of the factors that are not common. So that way you will get the answer. And long division method is this. So you can see this 140 and 175. So this way you are going to find the factors. See, detailed videos are already sent to you. You can go through it if you want to learn it again. And don't forget to watch this video of relationship between HCF and LCM, because word problem from this type of question is going to come in your exam. So you have to learn the relationship between LCM and HCF. What is the relationship between HCF and LCM? So if you will find the product of the two given numbers, then it will be equal to the product of HCF and LCM of that number. Let us see one example. Here it is given the LCM of the two numbers is 3240 while HCF is 45, and one number is given, that is 360. So first number multiply second number will be equal to LCM multiply HCF. So what you will get? You will get, if you will solve the equation, you will get 405 as your answer. Okay, so this way you are going to solve. The detailed videos are already with you. You can go through it in classroom. The links are already there. Practice chapter 4. In the next video, I will send you the revision of chapter 5. Bye bye. Have a nice day.